In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a Discord server. If your sidebar is overflowing with activity, or the pings are distracting you while you work or study, muting a server is a quick, reversible way to pause notifications without leaving the community. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app or the browser version. Either one works the same for this. Look to the left side of your screen where your server list lives. These are the round icons stacked vertically. Each one represents a different server you've joined. Find the server that's a little too chatty right now. Now right-click that server's icon. This opens a context menu with several options for managing how that server behaves for you. From this menu, click Mute Server. You'll see a set of time options appear so you can control exactly how long the mute should last. Choose the duration that fits your situation. If you just need a short breather while you finish a task, pick 15 minutes or 1 hour. For a longer stretch, maybe during a meeting or a class, 8 hours or 24 hours might be better. And if you know you want silence until you're ready to hear from that server again, choose until I turn it back on. That last option keeps the server muted indefinitely, and you can come back and restore notifications whenever you're ready. Once you select a duration, Discord applies the mute right away. From this point, you won't receive notification sounds or pop-ups from that server for the length of time you chose. This doesn't remove you from the server, it doesn't hide channels, and it doesn't delete any messages. Everything will still be there when you return. You're simply pausing the noise so you can focus. If you ever want to change the timing or bring notifications back sooner, just repeat the same action. Right-click the server icon, open Mute Server, and adjust the setting. It's designed to be quick, so you can tailor your notification flow to what you're doing in the moment. A quick tip: use shorter mute windows for brief breaks so you don't forget to re-enable alerts, and reserve the "until I turn it back on" option for longer periods of focus. It's a simple habit that helps you control your attention without missing what matters later. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, right-click the server, choose Mute Server, and set the duration. With just a couple of clicks, you can create a quieter, more focused experience whenever you need it.